busy holiday season. Health officials are reporting more than 100,000 infections per day for the first time since early October. According to the CDC, the Delta variant makes up most of those cases. Meanwhile, the new Omicron strain is also spreading rapidly. Cases have now been detected in at least 18 states since California reported its first case last week. Some states and cities are taking action to slow the spread of the virus. Nikki Batiste reports from New York City.
Not only is it one of the toughest mandates in the country, New York is now believed to be the first city to require vaccines for all workers. And now children here as young as 5 will have to be vaccinated before any indoor dining or entertainment. The New York mayor today called his mandate requiring all private workers be fully vaccinated, a preemptive strike against the cold weather and the new Omicron variant.
Look, this is how we put health and safety first, by ensuring that there is a vaccine mandate that reaches everyone universally in the private sector.
The mandate will affect 184,000 businesses, but will not apply to people working from home, and there will be no testing alternative. Early data shows that the new Omicron variant produces mild symptoms at worst. In fact, it is believed to be the Delta variant, driving a new wave of cases across the U.S., averaging more than 100,000 a day, with an increase in hospitalizations as well. With much about Omicron still unknown, Dr. Anthony Fauci urged Americans not to get complacent.
We really got to be careful before we make any determinations that it is less severe or really doesn't cause any severe illness comparable to Delta.
The new variant has now been detected in at least 18 states, including Louisiana, where 17 new COVID cases were discovered on a Norwegian cruise line ship that had just returned to port on Sunday. The cruise line said all crew and guests had been required to be fully vaccinated. One of the cases involves a South African crew member who is suspected to have the Omicron variant.
Is there any data yet to show how effective our current vaccines are when it comes to Omicron?
All of the vaccines have shown some degree of cross-protection in terms of virus-neutralizing antibodies. So I would expect the same will be true of Omicron.
Dr. Peter Hotez says vaccination remains the best protection.
If you haven't gotten vaccinated yet, you're playing with fire.
Dr. Hotez says a real concern with Omicron is reinfection, especially for anyone who is unvaccinated. Here in New York City, more than 10% of eligible adults have not gotten a vaccine yet. Elaine?
Nikki Batiste, thank you. Dr. Payal Patel joins me now. She's an infectious diseases physician at the University of Michigan Medical School. Dr. Patel, welcome. So what do you make of Mayor de Blasio's vaccine mandate?